Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into a C program called Grade Ledger. It's a straightforward menu-based system for managing student grades. So using only two libraries, which is the stdio.h and the string.h. So let's jump right in. At the top of the file, we include two headers. This one, stdio.h and the string.h. So the stdio.h for basic input and output and string.h for working with strings. So we also define file name as grade.txt where all the data is stored and set max line to 100, which limits the string as the length of each line in the file. Um, So for this step two, add record. So add record is used to insert new student entries. It prompts the user for a six-digit student ID, a full name in the format, last name, first name, and a grade between 0 and 100. So the program then appends this info to the grades.txt using fopen in append mode. So writes it with fprintf and close the file. Simple and effective. So for step three is list records. So list records open the data file and uses fgets to read it line by line, printing each record on the screen. If the file isn't found, it notifies the user with a no records found message. So this function displays the complete list of students. And for step four, search by ID. So search by ID prompts for a six digits ID, then scans the file line by line. It uses scanf to extract details like ID, name, and grade from each line. If it finds a match, it shows the student's info. Otherwise it alerts you with the ID wasn't found. For step five, uh, update grade. So update grade is a bit more involved. It creates a temporary file, reads the original file line by line, and if the line contains the target ID, it writes the update grade to the new file. Unchanged records are copied over. Afterward, it deletes the original file and renames the temp file, ensuring updates are saved. So for the step six, class stats. So for class stats calculates some basic metrics. It reads all grades, computes the total, and keep track of the highest and lowest values. When done, it displays the total number of students, that average score, and the range of grades. So for the step seven is the main menu. The main menu. Now, for the main function, a do-while loop shows the user a menu with six choices. A, to add records. L, to list all records. S, to search by ID. U, to update a grade. And C, to show class stats. And for Q, to quit the program. A switch statement handles each option, and the input is case insensitive. So both uppercase and lowercase letters works. So flow for the flow recap, so the program works with grades txt processing each record one line at a time. It uses save file handling practices and separates each task into its own function for clarity. So that wraps it up. You now have a full understanding of a grade ledger C line by line. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and comment below with suggestions for future breakdowns. So catch you in the next video, guys.